Yeah, so back in the day, man, I did those no money down deals, and they're great. I actually kind of use some of them techniques and deals, even these large multi-unit deals, and $5, $10 million deals, 20. I still do it, but those are to kind of get you started, and you got to be disciplined in that. But even when I use those techniques, I don't over leverage. Over leveraging is basically you're borrowing the amount that the property's worth, basically future value after repair value. That's when you over leverage. So let's say you do a deal, right? And um, it's only worth 100, and so you borrow 100, or you borrow 105 or 110. That's over leverage, because if you get in there's let's say a correction in the market, or something happens in the market, you're not going to be able to sell. And if you sell, you got to sell at a discount, which then now it's a short sale to the bank. Now you're in an issue. So you don't want to do that. What you want to do is you want to buy undervalued, meaning let's say it's worth 100. Let's say you buy it for 50,000, and you got to put 20,000 in repairs. So now you're in for 70. Now, if you borrow $70,000 for acquisition and renovation, then that's healthy leverage, because it's worth 100,000. So, right, you got 30,000 in equity. But if you leverage it all the way up to 100 or more, that's unhealthy leveraging. And so back then when I was doing it, you could pick your appraiser and you could tell them what you need the appraisal to come into. I know that's crazy, but and so we were getting deals and money back at closing, man. And so what happens when you were supposed to take that money and go do other deals is what I did. But when you keep doing deals and you take all the money out, if you don't start doing highly profitable deals, you're going to get hit, and that's exactly what happened to me.